You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly in French, a name that is indeed from French. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. We've got many more coming up. Daphne is generally how it's pronounced in English. So how would you say Daphne in French? The French pronunciation in France, Daphné. Daphné. Daphné is how you say Daphne, how you pronounce it. The French pronunciation, Daphné. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.